Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes how to fix a required device isn't connected or can't be accessed error in Windows 11, 10. Boot with Bootable CD or USB. Click Next, click Repair your computer. Click Troubleshoot, click Advanced Options, click Command Prompt. Type disk part. Type list space, volume. Volume 1 is System Volume, Volume 2 is Windows Installation Volume. Open Windows Installation Directory. Type boottrack space, /fixmbr. Type boottrack space, /fixboot. Bootsec space, /nt60 space, sys. Type boottrack space, /fixboot. Boottrack space, /rebuild BCD. If total identified Windows installation is 0, follow the below instruction. Type disk part. Type list space, volume. Find system volume, in my case volume 1 is system volume. Type assign space, letter equals E. Type z:\colon. Type cd space, boot. Attrib space, bcd space, -h space, -r space, -s. Type ren space, bcd space, bcd.old6. Type boottrack space, /rebuild BCD. Exit and start Windows. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.